Is your baby hitting their milestones on time? Or are you secretly Googling, is it normal if my baby isn't doing X yet at 2 a.m.? You are not alone. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect month by month, so you can stop guessing and start enjoying every stage. I'm here at Baby Matrix, where we break down baby development into simple, no-stress guides for parents. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe because we post new baby growth videos every week, and you don't want to miss the next one. Let's get into it. Here are the 10 baby milestones every parent should know from birth to 12 months. Before we start, one important reminder. Every baby develops at their own pace. These milestones are general guidelines, not a race. If your baby is a little early or a little late on something, that's usually completely normal. But knowing what to look for helps you celebrate the wins and know when it's worth asking your pediatrician a question. Okay, let's start from month 1. Milestone number 1, the social smile, usually appearing between 6 and 8 weeks. This isn't the reflexive smile babies sometimes show in their sleep. This is different. This is your baby smiling because they see your face, hear your voice, or recognize you. It might seem small, but this is actually huge. It's the first sign your baby is connecting emotionally with the world around them. Parents often describe this moment as the one that made them fall in love all over again. Talk to your baby often, make eye contact, and smile back. This back and forth interaction actually helps build early brain connections. Milestone number 2, head control. Around 2 to 4 months, your baby should be able to lift their head during tummy time and hold it steady when you're carrying them upright. By 4 months, most babies can hold their head fully up without support. This matters because head control is the foundation for everything that comes next: sitting, crawling, and eventually walking. Give your baby supervised tummy time every day, starting with just a few minutes and building up. It strengthens neck and shoulder muscles they'll need later. Milestone number 3, rolling over. Most babies roll from tummy to back first, usually around 4 months, and then back to tummy around 5 to 6 months. Once this starts, things move fast, literally. Your baby is now mobile, if just a little. This is also the point where a lot of parents realize the crib mattress needs to go down a level and it's time to double-check baby-proofing. Never leave your baby unattended on a raised surface once rolling begins, even for a few seconds. Subscribe for weekly milestone updates. Milestone number 4, sitting without support. Around 6 months, most babies can sit with a little help. By 8 months, many can sit independently for extended periods, using their hands to balance and reaching. This milestone opens up a whole new world for your baby. Literally a new point of view. Suddenly, they can see the room, reach for toys with both hands, and engage more with their environment. Surround your baby with cushions during early sitting practice, and give them toys just slightly out of reach to encourage balance and reaching. Milestone number 5, the first tooth. Most babies get their first tooth between 6 and 10 months, usually one of the bottom front teeth. Every baby is different though. Some get teeth as early as 3 months, others not until after their first birthday. Both can be completely normal. Signs of teething include drooling, gum swelling, and a general fussiness, especially at night. A chilled but not frozen teething ring can help soothe sore gums safely. Milestone number 6, crawling. Somewhere between 7 and 10 months, most babies figure out how to move on their hands and knees. Some do the classic crawl, some scoot on their bottom, some do a commando-style army crawl, and all of these are totally normal variations. This is the milestone where your home officially becomes an obstacle course. Time to check those cabinet locks and outlet covers. Get down on the floor at your baby's eye level to spot hazards you might otherwise miss. Milestone number 7, first words. Babbling sounds like baba or dada often start around 6 to 9 months, but true first words, used with meaning like saying mama specifically for their mom, usually appear between 9 and 12 months. Narrate your day out loud to your baby. Now we're putting on your socks. Here's your bottle. This exposure builds vocabulary faster than you'd think. Milestone number 8, pulling up to stand. Between 8 and 11 months, babies start using furniture, table legs, or your hands to pull themselves up to standing. At first, it's wobbly, and sitting back down is often more of a plop than a controlled motion. That's completely normal. Make sure furniture your baby pulls up on is stable and won't tip over. Anchor bookshelves and TVs now if you haven't already. Milestone number 9, cruising, walking sideways while holding on to furniture. This usually shows up shortly after your baby learns to pull up to stand, often between 9 and 12 months. It's the bridge between standing and independent walking, as your baby builds balance and leg strength. Let them practice in bare feet when possible. It helps develop foot muscles and balance better than shoes at this stage. And finally, milestone number 10, the one everyone waits for, first steps. Most babies take their first independent steps somewhere between 9 and 15 months, with 12 months being the average. Some babies walk earlier, some later, and both are perfectly normal. This moment is often one of the most emotional for parents. All those months of tummy time, sitting practice, and cruising, it all leads here. Don't compare timelines with other babies. Walking age has zero connection to future intelligence, coordination, or athletic ability. Every baby gets there in their own time. Let's do a quick recap. From social smiles and head control to rolling, sitting, and teething, to crawling, first words, pulling up, cruising, and finally, first steps, these are the 10 milestones that mark your baby's incredible first year. Remember, these are general ranges, not deadlines. If you ever have concerns about your baby's development, your pediatrician is always the best resource. If this video helped you feel a little more confident about what's ahead, do 3 things for us. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our next milestone guide, tap the like button so more parents can find this video, and drop a comment telling us which milestone your baby just hit. We love reading them. Thanks for watching Baby Matrix, and we'll see you in the next video.